What's up, blockheads? Working on the 2020 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S today. Recently installed the Memphis shades fairing onto here, and you know, it's helped out with riding distance, blocking some wind, right? One of the companies that I work with as well, there's a part that basically works really well with this fairing. Plex Audio. If you guys don't know what a Plex Audio kit is, it's basically this speaker kit that goes in that fairing, inside of this little area right here. Basically, you're able to put some speakers. So if you want to play some music, if you don't want to like use your Bluetooth communicator like inside the helmet or whatever, and you just want to play music externally, this is basically what it looks like there. This is Plex Audio's version 2 kit. They just came out with this. So we're going to be installing this on the Softail Low Rider S. I'm going to be walking you guys through it, showing you how to do it. Go ahead, roll the intro. We'll open this thing up, talk a little about it, and get to installing it. So this episode is brought to you guys by Plex Audio. If you guys don't know who they are, longtime supporter of the channel. They make these speaker systems for motorcycles that fit inside of the fairings. It's pretty cool because it's just kind of an empty space otherwise, and so they're basically utilizing that space. Wirelessly connects to your phone. They sound great. So you guys be sure to go check them out. I'll drop the link down in the description below, as well as on the screen right here. If you guys tell them Blockhead sent you, I think I have a discount code, gives you guys a bit of a discount, so you guys be sure to look down in the description below for that. We'll do a review video of it afterwards. So normally I have something fun to like open boxes with. I don't want to open it with a box cutter. We need something better than that. I don't know. What are we gonna use? I guess we'll use the katana. Ooh, all right, they sent the Bluetooth controller for it. That's awesome. It's got all our hardware and wiring. Bracket. There we go. So we got the speakers, which are some Rockford Fosgates, quality components. Connection down here. Got the bolts down in the bottom. Bracket that connects to the bolts for the bars. You got all your wiring and your hardware, and you've got a Bluetooth controller. Basically the way this works is, like I said, it sets behind the fairing, so we gotta take the fairing off. Click up, clicking up, pull forward, bam. Set that here, don't fall. So this bracket goes right here, through the bolts there, right? And then the Plex sets on this, like so. Let's unpackage this. All right, there we go. So we've got some bolts, some nuts, some washers. This is a little coupler that basically holds the connections together. So whenever you plug this into this, it plugs in, going through that hole there and that hole there, holding them together. And they give you a bunch of stickers too. The quality of these things, man, is great. I think we're using like 3/4 inch for these. Use that to loosen these up. Little thread locker. Boom, put that on there. That's it. All right, so I've mounted the bracket onto the speaker. I do need to tighten these down, but before I do that, I'm gonna leave them somewhat loose, just in case we have to move it forward or back. All right, I'm setting on there. So now we just tighten these nuts for the bars. Got good clearance. Nice. All right, so let's like snug some stuff down. Tighten these, not all the way. And we gotta make sure fitment is good with the fairing. Fairing back on here, and we are good clearance-wise. So we've got room, it's not hitting, so we're good to go. I'll take the fairing back off. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything down here, and then we're gonna run some wiring. We've got all of these tightened down, and now we're ready to run wiring. Probably just run it under the tank along the spine, which means I need to take the tank off. So I need to take the seat off. All right, so here's what I've done. Took the seat off, took the bolts out of the tank. There's totally room for some wiring in there. So that's what I'm going to do. Take this. So this is the end that plugs into the Plex, and then this plugs into the battery or power source. So basically I need to run this up through here, out of here. This is how I ran the wiring. You've basically got the seat off, and there's this little thing underneath where the seat kind of latches into. You can basically go underneath that. The main wiring harness is right there, right? So we can pretty much tuck this down, and we're gonna have to run it down to the battery, right? So we should be able to tuck this out of the way, like for where the seat goes, because that's, I mean, the other wires are going through there. So there you go. That's where we ran it, right there, and it pretty much goes up the entire tank, and then over here, and then we got it plugged in. So we got it all plugged up, and we're gonna use this coupler to keep that together. Put that there and there, press it in, clicks in, and that basically is gonna help to hold the connection. And I'm actually gonna tape that as well with some electric tape. Save it real quick. There we go, all taped up. So that should not come apart. So now I'm just gonna kind of feed the wiring back through. I don't really want like all this excess right here, so pull it back through a little bit. So this is the most difficult part of this install, is getting to this battery, right? So you got this battery cover, right? This thing right here. Just so you guys know what this looks like. Take a good look. It goes in, slides over the battery like this. It's got a clip up to the top here. It has a clip down at the bottom here, and it has another clip right here. So this clip is the one that's pretty difficult to remove because it's way back in there. You can see it right there. So you basically have to get the end of that piece around there. So I managed to connect the positive over there. I didn't pull the battery out. You have access to it through up here. And then I just routed the wiring. We're just gonna put the bracket back on, and then we're gonna connect all of the negatives. All right, got it all back together. I'll just put the cover back on. So we got it all hooked up here. I got the wiring all zip tied. Let's make sure it turns on. Right, so let's get everything back together, and then we'll pair the phone with it and play some music. All right, I've got Bluetooth opened on my phone. I'm going to power it on. A red ring. And we're gonna wait for other devices. There we go, Plex audio, tap that, wait for it to connect. See if I can log into Epidemic Sound. Connect it up. We're on Epidemic Sound. See if we can find something cool. Oh my God, it's so loud. So it's like halfway and it's loud as hell. Let's see what this is. For the bank, but thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Damn, that is loud. Don't forget to turn it off. There you go. That's how you install a Plex kit onto your bike. I'm using a Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing here. If you guys are interested in any of it, be sure to check out the links down in the description below. Once again, big shout out to Plex Audio. You guys be sure to check out the links. Use the coupon code that's down in the description as well to get you a bit of a discount. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to post them down in the comments below. Let us know, and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge, or we'll have a person from the Plex team jump on as well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Be part of that Bell Yeah Squad. Till next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. See you guys in the next one. Peace.